Why do we celebrate Carnival? What is its origin? Why is one of the most famous carnivals in the world celebrated in Venice? Let's find out! The word carnival has its roots in the medieval Latin carne levarium or carne levamen, derived from the classical Latin carne, meat, and levare, to eliminate, indicating the Christian practice of abstaining from meat during Lent. However, the concept of celebrating abundance before the period of penance has older origins, dating back to antiquity. In fact, different cultures celebrated the transition from winter to spring with festivities that involved the rites of breaking normal social conventions and wild celebrations. The Greeks celebrated the Dionysus in honor of the god of wine and theater, Dionysus. During these celebrations, processions and theatrical performances took place, with the active participation of the community. The Romans, on the other hand, celebrated Saturnalia, during which social roles were reversed, masters served their slaves, and social restrictions were temporarily suspended. These festivities were characterized by banquets, dances, and games. The Christian Carnival, which began as a preparation for Lent, has evolved by incorporating elements of these pagan festivals while taking on a more marked religious connotation, but retaining its spirit of breaking with normal social rules. Venice, renowned for its carnival, has a unique history that is intertwined with its geographical location, economic prosperity, and distinctive culture. The first documented in Venice dates back to 1162, when the Serenissima Republic of Venice defeated the army of Ulrich II of Treven. To celebrate the victory, parties began to be organized in St. Mark's Square. This event marked the beginning of a tradition that developed over the centuries, until it became official by edict of the Senate in 1296. The city was also an important commercial and financial center in the Renaissance, with a wealthy aristocracy that could afford lavish festivities. In addition, the tradition of masquerade was already ingrained in Venetian winter festivities, creating a fertile ground for the development of carnival that reached its peak during the 18th century in terms of pomp and opulence. The elaborate masks and richly decorated costumes became a symbol of elegance and mystery. The city became a place of encounters and intrigues, as participants were allowed to hide their identity and mingle with the nobility without social distinctions, representing a period in which normal social barriers were broken down. However, this era of splendor was abruptly interrupted in 1797, when Napoleon conquered the city and banned carnival celebrations, officially for security reasons. One can easily imagine how any attempt at a rebellion could be facilitated by the anonymity of mask. The Venetian Carnival disappeared temporarily, but it was revived by the citizens in late 1970s, and today it continues to be one of the most celebrated holidays in Venice and around the world. The festivities last 10 days and involve the streets and squares, but also the palaces, which open their doors to exclusive dances.